storm just came in. Let's hope for little trees. Power just went out. Well, that was a doozy, wasn't it? Crank on the lift gate. Oh, big tree just fell right over there. Oh, look, the tree that's in the way of us pulling the Volvo out. Yeah, look at that. Mother Nature did its job. That one fell down. Hey, maybe I ought to put like shoes on and stuff. If those trees fell, then it's any other trees could fall. That's why we plant trees. Oh, I don't want that tree to fall. That tree will fall for total that Volvo. No power's out. Hold on, trees. Just hold on. It was quick to respond right here. I was wrong. This tree did not make it. You dirty little bastard.
So we use our, Ford trucks for more than pulling wave runners. Hanging pretty solid up there still. Maybe we should move the chainsaw. Okay, we have attached a different strap to the other one. See what happens now. I might want to move. I might not be in the best spot. Oh, there went a big chunk of bark. Oh. Don't give up yet.